Hey guys, welcome back to today's video. But as you guys can tell from the last couple of videos, the car is having an issue with low compression. From cylinder 1, 3, and 4, it read 130 psi, and cylinder 2 reading 95. It should be at least 150 psi across the board, so we lost compression. And for some of you guys that know already, my block was already built by a previous engine builder, and the block was supposed to be rated for 800, but it blew making 5, so we are going to be pulling the motor out and sending it off to go get built by a different engine builder this time. But that's what this video is going to be pretty much about today. We're going to pull the motor out today or tomorrow, but I have to pull the accessories off before Lem gets here. But I do want to wash the car before we pretty much push it to the side for now, and so we can still make other content in the garage with other people's cars. But yeah, give the car one final wash before it's going to be decommissioned for like maybe a month, I think. But that really all depends on the machine shop and how fast they can get it together. But yeah, I'm going to take it to the wash and take you guys with me as we pretty much disassemble my car today. Started up the car right after the compression test and everything like that. This is the first time. But we're all loaded up now with the buckets and towels to be able to wash my car. But I just wanted to clean it one more time before we pretty much put this car away for like a month while the motor gets built. But I did have to get also the car warm to be able to drain the oil to come out the oil cooler I have. But yeah, we're gonna be on the way to the car wash now. So we're on the way to the car wash now, and I just wanted to talk a little bit. But it does suck that the car has to go away again for another engine build. But you know, it is what it is. Shit happens. I'm over it. I just want this car running again. But yeah, I'm on the way to the car wash. As you can see, the car is filthy right now. All right, we made it back to the house. The car is finally somewhat clean now. I was gonna do a deep clean, but I decided not to because I just wanted to get this going already. But it's back, and now it's time to disassemble the car. So the first things first is I'm gonna remove as much as I can before Lem gets here. But I'm gonna be removing the turbo, intake, the battery, and all the charge pipes. I might also pull out the radiator if I do have time to do it as well. But yeah, I'm gonna get going on that right now. I forgot to mention, I also, if you guys saw my turbo video, to take the turbo out, I do have to drain the coolant and oil. I'm just going to take all the coolant out this time though, and I also have to drain the transmission fluid as well, so I'm going to do as much as I can while I'm down there. Literally drain the coolant, oil, and transmission fluid, and probably unhook the couplers as well in the downpipe. Alright, car's in the air now, time to get working on underneath the car. Well, quick little update. As you can see, I'm drenched with coolant right now, but it's all good. It literally just sprayed out everywhere. Thankfully it's not that hot, but made a little bit of a mess, but I can easily clean it. It just sucks with a Koyo-Rad radiator. It doesn't have like a drip hole, so it kind of just shoots out like how oil does. So it kind of gets everywhere. As you can see, I'm fucking covered in it now. But it's all good. It's raining right now, but it made a mess. But it's all good, I can clean it up. But quick update, intake's gone. Hot side and cold side charge pipes are out. The exhaust is unbolted. Drained the oil, drained the transmission fluid. And now we're just waiting on the coolant before I start working on taking the turbo off. But what I can do in the meantime is I can take the battery and this part of the charge pipe out. But yeah, that's a quick update of what's going on right now. You can tell a lot has been taken off since I recorded last, but got the radiator out, the bumper off, the core support's sitting right there on the fender. I gotta put a towel on it so it doesn't scratch the paint. But then pretty much I got a lot of stuff out, a lot of vacuum lines, everything off. Disconnected the flex fuel stuff, but making a lot of progress, honestly. There's a lot of room in here now for this thing to be pulled out. I gotta disconnect more of the harness, and then pretty much we're getting really close to pulling it out. So hopefully we can pull it out all today, and then hopefully Sunday we just have to take apart the motor off the car, or take it apart at least. But yeah, that's pretty much where we're at right now. Update, battery's out, same with the upper charge pipe that goes to the cold side to the manifold itself. But yeah, like 3.5 hours in, I think, actually. But pretty much almost everything is off. The only thing left to do is the fuel line / some vacuum lines back there, and a couple parts of the harness on this side as well. But I'm going to wait for Lem to get here to be able to do all this stuff so he can remember where things go as well. But it was pretty easy taking this completely off. But we do still have to go pick up a hoist and a couple wheel dollies. But yeah, that's pretty much how it's going. It's doing pretty well though. Pretty excited to pull this out. Alright, we just put the wheel dollies on so we're able to move the car around without having to start the car. So, oh shit, we're moving, boys. Oh shit. Move the car all the way to the side now. Hell yeah, that's sick.
Dude, it's sick.
We have to take out the hood right now just to give us some extra clearance. The hood is out. Dude, this thing's so light.
No.
Varus hood.
What was EPR?
Nah. A fold test? No kidding.
Yo.
But yeah, I gotta take the hood off just to give us extra clearance. Alright, so quick update. The car is already pushed all the way to the side. We do want to go grab some food before we start getting like deep in it. But when we get back, Lem's gonna unhook the harness. But pretty much I got a lot of the stuff out yesterday, but Lem's been helping me unhook the harness and the vacuum lines and the coolant lines. But the car's pushed all the way to the side. We got the engine hoist right there that we got to set up. But then when we get back, this motor's coming out. Oh, we also got to pop out the axles. But yeah, when we get back, this thing's coming out. Lem's taking care of the manifold right now in the car. It's almost ready to come out, and I'm putting together the engine hoist right now. But yeah, Harbor Freight gang. But yeah, the car's already on the dollies, almost ready to come out. Should be out before sunset. That's the goal, at least.
Oh, but by 2 p.m., bro.
Oh.
In the next 2 hours, it'll be out.
Oh, really? Because it's currently 12:30. Watch the next clip. It's gonna be like, so it's nighttime now, and we broke it. No kidding. All right, so setting up the engine hoist has honestly taken longer than taking the car apart. If you look closely, all the bolts are different sizes that they're not supposed to be, because the instructions aren't clear and they have mix and match bolts everywhere.
The instructions aren't clear, like what nut goes where. It just says put nut and bolt here. Okay,
yeah, but literally, there's like 5 different sizes with like a couple different thread pitches. We got my manifold off already. Very nice. But dude, there is so much. Dude, with the manifold off, there is a lot of space in there now. There's a lot of space. The harness is almost off. We literally just got the motor mounts and axles.
That's pretty much it. Motor mounts, axles, and you're pretty much done.
Sick, hell yeah. Almost out.
And join us on our road trip tomorrow.
Yep, and then we're gonna be mobbing up to JSR this weekend. Or tomorrow actually, which is a Monday. So, but we're heading up there tomorrow to drop the motor off to get it measured and rebuilt. Are we gonna remember where any of these go? Yeah. Probably not. Look at it.
I'll remember.
Yeah.
This is a matter of like taking it one step at a time.
And then we also got your car outside that we can look at.
Yeah, we can look at and shit, so we have something to compare it to.
This thing, this hoist from Harbor Freight, do not buy it. It fucking sucks. It literally took forever to put together, and it's not even the right bolts on everything. But
there's instructions. Put a nut in a bolt. Okay, where? I'll put the nut in the bolt here. What side? What size? No, just put a nut in the bolt there.
Pretty much it tells you to figure it out. Yeah, and there's like 3 or 4 different size bolts with nuts.
Like, figure it out your fucking self.
Yeah, that shit. Don't worry about it if you guys notice that, but it should work because they're all the same grade bolt.
Yeah, they're all the same grade bolts. They're all like really, really strong bolts. So
yeah. Stock ECU's out. We're about to put the Motec in. No, but we had to take the ECU out to get more room. But gotta put this in a safe place so it doesn't get damaged. So now it's time to position the car sideways so that we can pull the motor out. But are you ready? Alright, ready? How sideways are you trying to get?
We gotta do this. Go.
Alright, we're gonna take the axles out now. Yeah. Literally, we are so close to taking out now. It's just motor mounts and axles at this point. Yeah. Because harness, all the vacuum lines are off. Everything's pretty much off. Even the shifter cables and everything. Got a big ass Chungus axle nut.
Ready?
So 36 millimeter if you guys want to take this off.
Yep.
But yeah, see if it comes off. Holy shit, that is loud.
It's hot, so
yeah.
Careful.
Oh yeah, really? So here's the axle nuts out if you're ever gonna do this to your car. Yeah, hopefully you guys don't have to. Alright, so both axles are popped out now. So instead of actually taking the nuts off, we ended up putting them back on, and this side pulls out of the trans. And then we separated this one because it is a two-piece axle right here. So we separated it from right there so it's apart so that we can pull the motor out. But now all that's left now are these 3 motor mounts and hoist it out. It's coming out now. Fuck! Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. It's about 6:30 p.m. We've been at this for almost over 12 hours.
Is it 6:30? Yeah. Oh, that was fast. It was 5 earlier. What the fuck? Oh shit. It was 5:30, motherfucker. Dude, shit. That was like, it'll be out by 2 o'clock. Hello? Alright. Oh shit, it's out. You good? Yeah.
There, yes. Yeah. There, that one, yes. Yeah. Go.
Very good?
Good, there.
Oh shit, my motor's out!
Let's go.
Hey, yo! Oh, just balls.
Like you're gonna burn.
Holy shit, it's out!
Hey, if you guys are just tuning in, hit that like and subscribe button, hit that notification button. We just hit 600 subscribers. We're trying to hit that 700. We are currently trying to hit 700, so please hit that like and subscribe button, hit that notification button as well. We just got this motor out.
You just got here 10 minutes ago.
We've been at this since 8 a.m. We are stressed out, tired. Look at how dirty we are, guys. Road to 700 subscribers. Motor is out.
Here, push it.
405.
Wait. Steer it.
Mr. 405.
Hey, what's your car?
Alright, we're good.
Professional.
Nice.
We're professionals, dog.
Good work, guys. We did it.
I'm so glad you're here for the
I'm
whole
so glad you're here for the
install.
whole thing, dog. I'm sorry.
What is this?
What's up?
Ah!
It's broke.
What's wrong with it? Which
Probably
cylinder
does.
is it?
What's up?
What cylinder is it?
Cylinder 2. Well, technically they all had low compression. They all read 130 besides cylinder 2 read 95.
My head out.
I just never see living up this. Yo, what the fuck?
So what y'all up to over here?
Hello, we are currently unmating the trans.
I'm making you transfer the motor?
There we go. Oh shit, it's screaming.
Oh, it's squirting on you.
Oh my god. Completely forgot to record a lot of this, but we unmated the trans, removed almost all the accessories. We're gonna keep a couple things on there like the VTEC solenoid and everything. But yeah, pretty much everything is off. But Lem is currently working on the flywheel and the clutch.
The pin, this way.
I got it.
There you go. Oh, that's the clutch.
There's my ACT 6-puck. It's a sprung 6-puck. Honestly, if you're thinking about getting this clutch to make power, it actually holds. And honestly, it's not that bad to daily if you want to daily this thing, because I daily it all the time. It's not that bad. You get used to it really quick.
I stalled like 20 times moving a block.
Okay, I stalled maybe like 3 or 4 times when this clutch was first installed, but I got used to it really fast. It's honestly not that bad.
It hooks though.
It's still got a lot of life left too, so
It hooks pretty good.
we're chilling.
Yeah.
That's pretty much the bare block, and the next step is pretty much put the wheels back on and get it ready to go to JSR, I guess, and organize. But yeah, that's it for right now. Okay.
Make sure I have this up the way. There's more.
Oh yeah, the starter and everything. But yeah, that's pretty much it. That was pulling my motor out, but look at all the parts that are sitting here. But there's actually a bunch of parts in my living room too, like my hood, my bumper, and everything are up there. But I'll probably bring my hood back downstairs, or my bumper at least. But the car's gonna be back on the dollies now, and then we're gonna push it over. But first, we gotta move the engine over and also find a place to put the trans for now. But that's the current situation. We're moving the motor right now so we can move the car back here, and then so we can pull the CRV in tomorrow so we can pretty much get the motor in the car. Just send it over that thing. Why are we tying like that? Okay, my motors are here. That's so weird.
Let me rest.
Yeah, it's only 2 o'clock right now. We got the shit out.
It's 2 o'clock. We got the shit.
Yeah, it's definitely 2 o'clock if you add on another 1 in front of it. No kidding. It's currently 7:56, so almost 8. But honestly, not too bad. Moving the trans here for the meantime, just so we can make room for other shit. Like, wait, baby. Sorry I didn't film more, but I had a lot of friends over, so couldn't really film because we were all just hanging out. But yeah, gonna put the car on the floor now and push it to the side of the garage again. Slow down. Grab the wall.
We're going to try to make the glass fall off.
Is it recording? No, shit, it is.
Sorry.
What the fuck?
One.
Car forward? Yeah, I can. Look at all these parts here. It's fucking wild seeing it like this. But there's so many parts here. We got my old turbo, the PRLP 600, and my stock that I'll be going back to. There's actually nothing wrong with the turbo. We thought it was the turbo, but it was actually the compression in my motor, which sucks. But you know, it is what it is. But got a whole stockpile of parts, and even parts upstairs as well. And we got to put it back together. Honestly, it's gonna be a mission figuring out where everything goes back. But we try to stay as organized as we can. And also, here's my bare motor. It's pretty wild seeing it out of the car for the second time because it's the second time it's gonna get built, but it's a different engine builder this time. But pretty wild seeing it like that, honestly. It's crazy seeing my transmission, my clutch, my everything outside of the car. Definitely super weird seeing it. And then even looking in the engine bay, dude, there's nothing here now since the motor's here, right? But super wild that we got it out. Honestly, it wasn't too hard. Just a bunch of vacuum lines and everything like that. but definitely gonna make some good content for pretty much putting it all back together. But yeah, this is how the car sits. All right, guys, that pretty much wraps up today's video on what we did today. We pulled the motor out. I'm sorry I didn't get to film a lot more for you guys. I was mainly just focusing more on working on it, and I did have friends come over just to hang out and chill, but forgot to film a bit of it. But I hope I did get some good clips for this. But for the people that didn't watch my other videos yet, the reason why we did this is because all 4 cylinders read pretty low compression, so we did lose quite a bit of compression, like what it's supposed to be at least in specification wise. But the car made 500 on this block for like a couple pulls on the way home, and then it went. And I wasn't in the best financial state to be able to fix it, at least. But I mean, what can I expect when you start modding cars? Things break, and sometimes things happen that you can't control. So I'm not gonna sit here and whine about it because that's not gonna fix the block. So I was like, all right, Lem, let's just knock this out this weekend. Let's pull it out and then go bring it to go get built. So I'm gonna hit up the homies at JSR, and they're gonna actually be rebuilding this motor. I will be driving it to them tomorrow, so they'll be able to check everything out. But definitely, it was a very fun experience, especially doing it in my garage with the limited tools we have. Definitely crazy fun doing it. Honestly, I don't know if I'll do it again, but we got a whole stockpile of parts sitting right here that we got to put back on. It's definitely going to be a mission doing it, but definitely will be some interesting content for you guys to watch. But I hope you guys enjoyed pretty much watching, and it'd really help if you guys could leave a like, comment, subscribe on today's video. But that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one.